back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing something very exciting, something I've been wanting to do for actually quite some time now. Happily enough, we are going to be doing another sewing project, because who doesn't like sewing? So I saw these pairs of jeans on Instagram by Jagoda Furtado, which I'm not sure you guys know her, but like her Instagram will be somewhere, you know, here. And I saw these pairs of jeans that I really thought were so cute that I wanted to do. And then, you know, just days passed after seeing this post. I was like, oh, those are really cute. My sister comes in with jeans that are very similar to them. So I was like, you know what? It's a sign. Do them, Allison. DIY. The idea just bing to my head. So yeah, that is the tea. If you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos and be a part of the familia. Also, if you guys want to help me build creative content on this channel, there's a GoFundMe link down in the description box below where you can donate any amount to the YouTube account. All proceeds will go back into this channel, and I understand during this pandemic not everybody has the funds to do so. So if you can, then please do. If you don't, then that's fine too. I love you guys all the same. Mwah. Also, shout out to my outfit of the day. I had this meeting to get into the education program at my school. Sounds so sophisticated, but I thought, you know, let's be that quarantine bum, but you know, I want to be kind of professional, so you know, just throw this on. There's a quarantine lookbook that I just did in my last video. Go check it out, and you will see that there are some different options as to what you can wear for when you're attending class or a meeting that you can use, you know, just to spruce up. You know, instead of wearing pajamas all day, you have a little bit of more cute professional options. Okay, but enough of me babbling on. Let's get into these jeans. First off, we're going to start by taking some vintage jeans, and I like to examine what needs to be fixed, such as, you know, taking in the waist or tapering the legs. Since I don't really measure by ruler, I take my fingertips and I pinch the excess material and measure about how much it is on my fingertips. Do not do this if you're a beginner because you want exact measurements as much as possible. I do this because I've been sewing for a really long time, so it's just easy for me to understand. But I do that to my waist and the bottom of my jeans. Next, you're going to take your seam ripper tool and you're going to want to rip the seam between the loopholes in the back of your jeans in the belt line. And once you completed that, you're going to have a gaping hole that talks to you. And as we do to one side, we do to the other. Next, with our hole created, we're going to pinch that material backwards inside the pants and we're going to pin it down like so. For the bottom flap, we're going to want to pin it diagonally because this is what's going to taper the jeans. And you see that the belt line is very loose. We're going to also pin that backwards like we did the bottom, but we're not going to do it diagonally. We're just going to pin it straight up and down because this is just going to take off the excess material. And like always, what we do to one side, we do to the other. Now that you get that pinned down, you can go ahead and sew that on up and then remove the excess material.
like the cool blue light, 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 like the cool blue light.
Always try on before you remove the material, just in case if you need to make any adjustments. Next, we're going to start working on the legs. So I'm going to cut off the bottom hem because this is going to make it easier for us to taper the jeans later. And like I had said before, as we do to one leg, we do to the other. Next, we are going to use our seam ripper to take down the hems of the jeans. Depending on how much you want your jeans to be tapered, depends on how much you're going to want to remove. So I did 4 to 6 inches, pinning about a ½ inch on each side, which is a total of 1 inch for each leg in a diagonal direction. This was just a light taper, so maybe you want to take off more if you're wanting a more noticeable tapered jean.
Sit down, hey. Sit down, hey. Sit down, hey.
And with your scissors again, we're going to shear the edges one last time, and then you have a frayed hem jeans. So as you do it on one side, you do to the other, and now our jeans are complete.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
I repeat, this is a fashion emergency. I repeat, this is a fashion emergency. Never do a photo shoot on a bad hair day, y'all. Instead, I actually did some cute photos on Instagram, so go check that out in my link below, my Instagram and social media. But instead, I did a unofficial, official try-on haul, so drum roll, please. Well, that is it. If If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah! Bye, beautifuls.